Hello viewers, today I have a video to show the audience. From the simple life of Kong Sophat, he lives a simple and happy life. In the morning to pick vegetables around the house. No need to go buy at the market. Do not worry about chemical vegetables. Life like this does not look fancy. Not civilized like the people of the city, but living happily and safely. Living off the land is a concept that's all about embracing self-sufficiency and taking control of the food we eat. It's about growing our own fruits and veggies, raising our own animals, and cooking meals that are not only delicious, but also free from harsh chemicals and additives. And that's exactly what I'll be doing in this video, sharing my journey of living off the land, from script to plate. When it comes to sourcing chemical-free food, many of us face a common dilemma. Where do we start? We've all been there, wandering the aisles of our local supermarkets, scanning labels for any signs of added preservatives or artificial flavorings. But the truth is, even with the best of intentions, it can be tough to know what we're really getting. And that's because the food industry is notorious for hiding behind cryptic labels and confusing certifications. One of the biggest misconceptions about farming and cooking is that it's only for hippies or hardcore environmentalists. But the reality is anyone can grow their own food and cook a mean, chemical-free meal. It's not about abandoning our modern lifestyles or giving up our favorite foods. It's about taking small steps towards a more sustainable future. And it's not just about our health either. It's about the health of our planet too. Another challenge people face is the assumption that chemical-free living is expensive or time-consuming. But trust me, it doesn't have to. With a little bit of creativity and resourcefulness, we can grow our own food on a budget and cook meals that are not only delicious, but also wallet-friendly. And as for time, well, let's just say that spending an hour or two in the garden or kitchen each week is a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly what we're putting into our bodies. There are many ways to farm and cook without chemicals, and one of the most effective methods is through organic practices. By using natural compost and pest control methods, we can create a thriving ecosystem that's both productive and sustainable. And the best part is, it's not just for experts. Anyone can start their own organic garden or farm, no matter how small. One of the key principles of chemical-free farming is to work with nature rather than against it. This means using natural methods to control pests and diseases rather than relying on harsh chemicals. It also means embracing diversity and growing a wide range of crops rather than focusing on a single crop or monoculture. By working with nature, we can create a truly sustainable food system that's both healthy and resilient. When it comes to growing your own food, one of the most important things to remember is to start small. Don't try to tackle too much too soon. Start with a few easy-to-grow crops like tomatoes or herbs, and gradually work your way up to more complex crops like vegetables or fruits. And don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. That's all part of the fun of chemical-free farming. One of the most rewarding moments of my own journey was harvesting my first crop of homegrown veggies. There's something truly special about biting into a juicy, ripe tomato that you grew yourself, knowing that every bite is not only delicious, but also chemical-free. And the best part is, it's not just about the food. It's about the sense of pride and accomplishment that comes with knowing you grew it yourself. But the journey doesn't stop there. Cooking chemical-free meals is just as important as growing the food itself. By using natural ingredients and avoiding harsh additives, we can create meals that are not only delicious, but also truly nourishing. And the great thing is, it's not just about sacrifice. Chemical-free cooking can be incredibly flavorful and creative too. Looking back on my own journey, I've learned that the benefits of living off the land far outweigh the challenges. Not only do I feel more connected to the natural world, but I also feel more confident in the food I eat and the meals I cook. And I hope that by sharing my story, I can inspire you to take the first steps towards your own chemical-free journey. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you have any experiences or tips to share on sustainable living and cooking, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more on chemical-free farming and cooking.